Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. Nutritional remedies for gout. Well, you know, in gout, uric acid accumulates in the joints. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you can have this sudden onset of pain and very severe inflammation, and it can be extremely painful. And the big toe is often one of the most common joints affected. They say if a feather lands on your toe when you have gout, you know, you'll jump through the roof. It's so painful. But other joints can be affected as well, the knee and the elbow and some other joints. Can dietary factors have an influence on suppressing the recurrence of gout? And the answer is yes. And so you need to know, if you're prone to gout, you need to know what foods to be eating and not to be eating. So the first thing is that you want to restrict your intake of foods that are high in what are called purines. Because when the body breaks purine down, that's what forms uric acid, and high uric acid levels actually accumulate in the joints and produce the inflammatory response. So there's a whole list of purine foods that you need to know about. I'm going to get back to that. The other thing is alcohol has been shown to cause gouty flare-ups. So alcohol is a trigger for gout. A lot of people don't know that. So are refined sugars. A lot of really sugary, sweet things can actually trigger gout. And if you need to lose weight and you're a gout sufferer, you have to make sure you don't lose the weight too quickly, because a rapid weight loss in someone with gout and someone who is prone to gout will actually trigger the gouty arthritic attack. And one thing that may be helpful is drinking cherry juice. For some reason, there's some active constituents in cherry juice that may suppress the recurrence of gout. In terms of supplementation, a couple of really important things to know about. A recent study showing that men that were supplementing with 1,500 milligrams of vitamin C per day or more had a 45% reduction in the recurrence of gout compared to men who were only getting 250 milligrams of vitamin C. So vitamin C helps to flush out uric acid, so you urinate it out at a faster rate. That's a good thing. Also, the flavonoid called quercetin can actually help to stop the formation of uric acid in the body, something that you might want to know about. And taking essential fatty acids, a combination of flaxseed, borage seed, and fish oil, produce hormones in the body that reduce the inflammatory response in general right across the body. I think that's helpful for a gout person as well. So you should take a high-potency multivitamin, because certain things in there will help the body make anti-inflammatory agents as well. So those are sort of the basic details. But all of the exact strategies as to what to do and how to reduce your intake of purine foods and so on is in an article that I wrote. And if you just click on the link below this video, you're going to see the article. And I want you to read it. If you're a person that suffers from gout, or you know someone who does, you should take a look at this article. The article is called "Vitamin C Supplements Shown to Reduce the Risk of Gout." But in that article, it doesn't just talk about vitamin C. I show all the dietary and supplementation strategies that have been shown to be effective. And you'll see all the scientific references as well, so you'll know I'm getting it only from sound, sort of medical, peer-reviewed journals. And I'm bringing this to your attention because a lot of medical doctors themselves don't read the supplementation studies. So they talk about diet and drugs, but they often don't give you the advice on supplementation. And it can be equally important, especially preventing a recurrence of certain conditions like gout. So you really should take a look at that article right now. Now, machinohealth.com, you'll see my other research review articles. You'll see other footage from my live professional seminars, other downloads and videos I've created. They're all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. And all my research materials and teaching notes have all the scientific references in them, so you know you're going to get only sound scientific information from me on any health topic that you're looking for. So you really should make machinohealth.com an ongoing, reliable resource for health and wellness information for both you and your family members.